Okay, so we're testing out the new camera out here by the... See, this thing is wobblier than hell. I don't like it. We gotta find a different way. Oh, shit. Oh, that was close. Came very close to wiping out on that. But I made it down. I stepped right here. You can see where I slid. You having problems with the dog? It's really slippery on this mud. Almost wiped out over there.
I'm wiping out right now.
You alright?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm fine. I'm fine. I just probably got a little bit money.
Alright, so we're out here. Oh, it's really mushy ground. You feel it? Look at that down here. Oh, it is nice. Nice down here. Alright, so that's at 170 degrees. Big difference when it comes to seeing how far you can go. Now be careful over there. That's the way I came. I'm here. I almost stepped on the damn thing.
Okay, so I'm gonna come down.
Go around the way how you came before. Check this thing out. It's a dead raccoon. Yep, deader than a doornail. Boy. Almost stepped on.
Seriously, dog?
I bet you that's been there for a long time. I'm guessing since it snowed. Probably froze there. That's messed up. Alright, looks like we had a beaver doing some work. Of course, Sophie's in the way. You can see fresh from the beaver cutting this tree. This tree went down from the beaver, and you can clearly see this one right here.
Close in.
Where the beaver got this one, and you can see it toppled over. Right here. We got a bunch of trees over there too. Beavers are taking down all of this. Oh, you can see where they worked on it. Beavers are going to town on this place. You can see where they're working on this tree. And the one over there too. They're all over the place. But this one is kind of old, you can tell. But man, they're chomping away. I've never been down this way. I've been on that path over there by the street. But never here specifically. Video it. Alright, so we just came from over there. We're walking. I think this is kind of an odd thing to find. Some deodorant. Looks like a bag. And then here's some swimming trunks. A bag. A little baggie. Computer. Boots. Jacket. Looks like it's probably been here for quite a while. A hat. Is that a sleeping bag? And some other case of some sort. Looks like I found a little place where druggies or homeless people. Look at these rolled up things. It's like sandpaper. Look at this area. It's just weird. Like where somebody's camping out. See there. Camping stuff. Blankets, they just left it all though. Some golf clubs, golf bag. Look at that. The melting clock, smoke shack. This is just weird. There's legit, don't touch anything, okay? Here's a shirt. What the hell? This is getting more and more bizarre. That looks really old. Golf club. Oh, this is so weird. Whatever was on these pictures is gone now. It's like an old book. The picture's really weird. Huh. Yeah. I don't know.
This looks like a dead end.
On this nice little place here.
Well, it looks like a dead end. I think we have to turn back.
It's cool.
You know what to say?
Yeah, just follow me. Some animals spent the night in there. Every little animal home, you can definitely tell something has been living in there. In there too. Alright, well, thanks for sticking with me on this. I just wanted to go over that this is the SJCAM. So it's the SJ5000x. You can see that. But this isn't meant to be a full review or anything like that. I just kind of wanted to show people what I used. And one of the things is, even on this right here, it seems kind of steady. But the problem with it is you see how there's a gap like right between there. And no matter how much I tighten it up, maybe it's not coming in focus. There's this gap. So what it does is it wobbles. See how the wobbling? So if I walk, it wobbles all the time like that, no matter what. And yes, I tightened it up with the screw underneath here. So I know people are always going to say, oh, you didn't do this. Yeah, I went in here, and this thing is really tight. So no matter how tight you get it, it still has that wobble in here. So this thing isn't going to work for walking around. So I also tried this here, the selfie stick. Monopod as we usually call it, but most people refer to it as a selfie stick. But with that too, it has the same exact problem. See, I'll show you. Put this on here, and no matter how tight, see, if you hold this thing, I don't know if it's showing here, this thing moves. So if you hold it, try to tighten it up as much as you can. So, but it still doesn't matter because it still has, see the wobble? So when you walk, it's going to wobble like that, and that's what makes all the problem. And then using the gyro, that's why it gets all blurry. So I'm going to try, I don't know, in the next video that I'm going to come out with, I actually hold it, and I do video, but I'd much rather have a stick of some sort that you can hold without all the wobbling going on. So I'm going to try to figure out a solution to that, and I'm hoping maybe if you watch this and you can tell me if you have a better solution to help with this wobble, if that's that way with like the GoPros or what, because there seems to be the bit of a gap in there no matter how much I tighten it up. So I don't know, maybe you guys can help me out and figure out how to get this wobble out of here. So, because this thing's pretty much useless for walking around if it's going to have the wobble. So, alright, thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Wilter's World. Alright, thanks for watching.